What's going on, everybody? It's your boy named Matthews, back again with another video. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and if you like what you see, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the page before you head out. Today's video is being brought to you by NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you take a look at the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical. Today, yet again, we are on the Brother SE1900, so you know we're going to be doing another embroidery project. This is the design, digitized design. I don't think I have the actual design anymore, but this is what I ended up converting, and this is what our results are going to be looking like today. To me, it looks like a, when I see it, I think a Lion King, but it's not really, you know, Lion King, but it looks like that's where the inspiration for this came from. And I just did my little digitizing and stuff like that, whipped it up. This one actually has, as you guys may be able to see right here, a whole lot of colors. A lot of this budget went into me going out to buy different colors, so that's something I'm gonna have to keep in mind too for like future orders. Depending on how many colors and stuff you have in your design, I might need to charge for that, because this one was kind of, you know, maybe it was just because I just never had a big assortment of different colors like this. But I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of what it looks like, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is the design that we're going for today. It is going to be able to fit into a 4x4 hoop, and here's all the different shades of color, and I think even some others that I gotta go get. Got some sitting over here on top of the machine as well. This design says it's going to take about 37 minutes, I believe. Last time I was looking at it, 32 minutes, so even better. 32 minutes, about 11 different colors. There's 18 steps in this thing. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Went ahead and got my piece of felt right here. On the machine, it tells me the first color is black, but since it's going to get covered up with our material anyway, really doesn't matter what color it is. So I'm just going to keep the gray in here that I had from a previous project, and we're just going to go ahead and throw this down, and let's get it going. And there you have it, just the base shape of our design. Now we'll go ahead and lay our fabric on top and tack this down. Very simple. I was able to do it with one hand, and it's a perfect fit because I pre-cut it and everything. So I'll just go ahead and hold it for a second to make sure it gets locked down. And there you have it. Now it's time to go ahead and get our scissors right here, and we're going to go ahead and cut out the extra fabric that's around the border of our design, and we'll clean it up and jump to the next step. I wonder, do you guys do the same type of steps as me as well? Like when you guys do, or if you do any type of applique in your designs, you cut it out like as soon as it's tacked down to the material, or do you wait until the end, or what is your guys' process? I just want to know more tips and stuff from you guys, because as much as you guys think I know a lot, I'm always like looking to learn more. I definitely don't think I'm a pro, definitely don't think I'm a know-it-all or nothing like that. I'm always looking to learn more. So if you guys are, you know, more experienced, or if you guys have came up with a different trick or a faster way to do something, or a better, you know, things just to be more efficient in general, please share the information, because you guys always do show love on the videos as far as like, you know, liking the videos. Some people share them. I don't even know how to see if people share them anymore unless I actually have you on social media, so I don't even see the count of shares. But yeah, I do get a good enough likes and stuff like that. However, not too many people comment compared to the amount of views and the likes that my videos get on average. So if you guys are willing to comment more, or let me know what you guys are working on, or you know what machine you guys are planning to get, because I know a lot of people, a lot of you guys actually watch my videos consistently and don't even have a machine. Some of you are not even interested in buying a machine. You just kind of like watching me and making stuff. I'm the same way, by the way, so don't feel bad about that, because I be watching people who be cutting wood and making bed frames and making furniture and stuff like that, and I have no plans of going to Lowe's or Home Depot and just putting together, you know, building a house with my hands, building cabinets and shelves and all that. However, I do watch those videos pretty often, so I know you guys are probably doing the same thing as well. Speaking of like random videos, I'm just blabbing while I'm doing this. Speaking of random videos though, man, do you guys be watching those what are those people? They be like just digging in dirt and then they'll build like a swimming pool in the middle of a forest or something like that. I've been seeing those videos a lot, and every single time I see one, it catches my attention. I have no intentions of ever going to the middle of a forest and getting sticks and building a jacuzzi in the forest. Like, I don't know, but it is pretty cool to watch. So again, if you guys are one of those people that just watch my videos just you know, just because it's interesting, I appreciate you. Thanks for, you know, rating the videos and stuff like that. Definitely keeps me motivated as far as, you know, knowing people are interested. But yeah, if you guys have more questions and things like that, I guess it'll give you more topics and different things to come up with on camera. Outside of that though, my plan is just going to be, you know, for those of you who order patches outside of digitizing and stuff like that, I will be making as many videos as I can. By the way, too, at the time of the recording of this video, I have like, I don't even know how many. I have a whole bunch of videos that I've already edited and have not uploaded, as well as a hard drive full of footage of different projects and stuff that I've done that I have not even had time to edit yet. There we go. Went ahead and cut it out, just the shape of our design. So we will go ahead and pop it back into the machine now. Alright, so we're going to load up this lemon yellow, and I believe this color is going to be just to do like the little horns or something. And that is the only part of this entire design that needs that color. So I just bought this whole little thing for just that one color. And that's also another reason, guys, why I prefer to buy, you know, regular things of thread versus a big old monster thing of embroidery thread. Because these smaller ones, you know, you can buy them real small sizes, or you can get a big jumbo one. And I only need it for that tiny little piece, so I didn't have to spend that much money. Now, if I do an actual embroidery thread, yeah, that's going to come in a really big monster jumbo thing. Or in most cases, I see people buying embroidery thread. You have to buy like a big old kit and stuff like that. And I just think this is wise as far as, you know, the budget and for what we're working with. So anyways, let's load up the next color, which is telling us we need a reddish brown, which I have that reddish looking brown right there. I think that'll do just the trick. Let's load it up. The part that's doing right now, as you can see, it's going to be doing a majority of this design. The large animal, whatever it is in the background there, it's going to take 11 minutes. Alright guys, so we went ahead and finished one color. We threw in the tangerine or the orange, whatever you want to call it. And it's just putting the little stomach color on there. Right now it looks like it's actually the same color, but I know it's not when I put them both together. You can see the difference a little bit. Slightly. Yeah, you see it. But yeah, that's what it's doing right now. I'm trying to get as much of this on camera, but I am like watching other videos and stuff in the background. But yeah, it looks like a nice little blend. Very subtle. Smooth, so I did a nice little color pick right there. Everything is looking real nice, and it is matching the picture thus far on how I plan for this thing to come out. Colors are just, yeah, they go pretty well together. Again, if you guys need your image converted, if you want me to digitize something for you, or if you would like me to actually make a patch for you, go to the website again, which is neverdenieme.com, and I'll take care of you guys. So I've been so caught up watching TV and stuff like that while I'm doing this that I did do a lot that I don't think I got on camera. However, it is coming along really nice, and I'm looking at this like I hope I can make a comeback, because right now I'm getting ready to fill this thing in with color. And just knowing the way I would normally digitize things, I'm kind of like wondering, like, did I mess up the order? Because normally I would do like the background first, but I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know. I went back and resized it a couple of times, so maybe I messed up when I was resizing it and accidentally put something out of order. So I'm praying that this color does not stitch on top of the ears and the eyes and the face and stuff like that. But that's what it's getting ready to do. This little section here doesn't really want to focus too much, but from the little picture it does look like there's a cutout for the eyes and the ears and stuff like that, so it shouldn't overlap. But all we can do is hope for the best, right? Let's go. I'll let you guys actually get a peek of this one, since I ain't really been paying too much attention so far. So good. It's going around everything. Just lock it in. Perfect. So it is going around the ear like I needed it to. It might be kind of tricky when it gets to the white of the eyes to see how close it can get without overlapping. Alright then, looks like it did what I needed it to do, so we good, perfection. I'm still going to go back on the computer and fix it though, because that was a little scary to see the face stitching before the body. It's just the way I normally like to do things, so I'm going to have to fix that, but either way it stitched very well, so we're in good hands at NeverDenyMe.com, baby. Oh yeah. We're just finishing it up right now. I'm just adding the border on the design. As you can see, it's covering up those white edges right there with the black thread. It's already done some of the top. And this is what our almost finished product is looking like right now. I did skip some of the steps of black, like with the outlines, but because I used a black piece of fabric, the outlines are just like right in between. Everything that needs to be outlined in black is already outlined in black. I think it looks very nice. It used a whole bunch of colors, and even the back came out pretty good as well. Bobbin thread is not showing through the design at all. Very detailed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out and we'll package it up. And here's the final product. All packaged up. If y'all need anything, once again, go to the website, NeverDenyMe.com. Can't wait to work with y'all. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace.